Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas and today we're going to be doing something interesting. What I want to do is I want to use AI to be kind of like my UX designer buddy in a project that I'm going to be creating today. And basically the person or my clients would be Claude, right? I asked Claude to generate like a fake proposal. And basically what I want to do is I want to use Google AI Studio to basically help me or guide me through the process using Relume to create some type of sitemap and wireframe. And I want this AI to help me create the prompt. I want this AI to help me with the different sections. Maybe Relume creates like a nice, wireframe, but maybe the sections have to be changed here and there. And I want to bring that also into Figma, where Google AI Studio will help me kind of refine based off of data from that it finds online, help me with UX optimization. So that's basically the goal of this video, just to use this tool, Google AI Studio, to kind of help me through this UX process of a web design or e-commerce project that Claude is providing us with. So if that's something interesting for you guys, stick around and let's get started. Okay, to start off, let's just review what Claude has written here. So I actually started by saying, hello there, I need you to provide me with a project proposal as if you were an owner of an e-commerce brand that sells fishing gear, 3 types of products and 4 variants per each product. So I wasn't very detailed into what I had to do. So I'm just gonna write here, you are looking to hire me as a web designer for your new website. You are focusing a lot on high conversion rates through your product pages. That is a priority for you. So let's just save this and then let's just regenerate that. So Fishing Horizons, the brand is called, e-commerce website project proposal. So introduction, as the owner of Fishing Horizons, a specialized e-commerce brand focused on premium fishing gear, I'm seeking a talented web designer. Okay, company background, it was established in 2022. So we've developed our products based on extensive field testing and customer feedback. Also really cool, and we're now ready to elevate our digital presence to match the quality of our offerings. Nice. So product range, we have professional fishing rods, and we have these 4 variants. We have fishing reels with these 4 variants. We have advanced fishing lines. And yeah, so these are the 3 different categories. And then we have the site architecture requirements. So homepage, we want it to be like this. Category pages, we want it to look like this. Product pages like this, high priority, and checkout process and account area. So, okay, technical requirements, fully responsive design, mobile first approach, page load time under 2 seconds, integrated search with predictive text and filtering schema markup for enhanced SEO. So these aren't really so important right now. Specific conversion focus areas, simplified path to purchase with minimal distractions, clear. Okay, maybe we can, bring this to the Relume, right? Timeline and deliverables are not so important. Budget is also not important, and next steps is also not so important. So we got this from Claude. So this is basically the project proposal. Now the next step is basically to say hello to the Google AI Studio and kind of introduce them to this project. All right, so I've never really used this tool before, so I'm just gonna try to see how we can, properly do this. But basically, we have Talk with Gemini Live, and we have this right panel over here. So it says model. We'll just choose this one because it's the only one. We have the audio output. We have the voice. So different types of voices. We have use code to solve. We can use this function calling. Lets you define functions that Gemini can call. Okay, I don't really think we need, let's just check out all of these. Whatever, let's just see. And like I said, I've never really used this, so this is going to be like kind of a first time. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this and share my screen. And I'm going to share my entire screen. So hello there, how are you? Oh, while visiting the site. Hello there, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
Awesome. So I got a project proposal that I want to share with you really quick. Can you read it?
Yes, I can read it. Please share the project proposal with me.
So I'm going to start scrolling down, but this is the whole project proposal.
Okay, I see the project proposal. It's for an e-commerce website for a company called Fishing Horizons, which specializes in premium fishing gear. The proposal outlines the company background, product range, and site architecture requirements. The product range includes professional fishing rods, premium fishing reels, and advanced fishing line. The site architecture requirements include a homepage featuring seasonal promotions and bestsellers, and quick access category navigation with visual cues. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss, or any questions you have about the proposal?
So I don't have any questions, but I do want to generate a wireframe, and I need a prompt based off of this proposal that you just saw. So could you help me write this prompt?
I can help you with that. Based on the project proposal you shared, here's a prompt you could use to generate a sitemap and wireframe. Create a sitemap and wireframe for an e-commerce website that sells premium fishing gear. The website should include a homepage, product pages for professional fishing rods, premium fishing reels, and advanced fishing lines. The site should have clear navigation with visual cues for each category, and the homepage should feature seasonal promotions and bestsellers. The company is called Fishing Horizons, and they were established in 2022. Would you like me to adjust this prompt, or would you like to proceed with this one?
So I think it's good. I just need you to write it down because you speak very fast and I don't want to type so much,
Understood. I will try to speak a bit slower in the future. You can also always ask me to repeat something if you need to. Let me know if you need any other help with your project.
Okay, so I just pasted your prompt into this prompt field. Can you review it and maybe adjust a few things if you think there needs some extra adjustments, especially with in terms of UX design? Like here, I want you to be like the UX design professional in this project.
Okay, I've reviewed the prompt, and I can definitely make some adjustments to incorporate a stronger focus on UX design. Here's a revised prompt that aims for a more user-centered approach. Create a sitemap and wireframe for an e-commerce website selling premium fishing gear with a strong emphasis on user experience, UX, design. The website should include a homepage featuring seasonal promotions and bestsellers, with clear calls to action. There should be intuitive category navigation, with visual cues that make it easy for users to find what they are looking for. Include dedicated product pages for professional fishing rods, premium fishing reels, and advanced fishing lines, with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. The company is called Fishing Horizons and was established in 2022. Focus on creating a smooth and efficient user journey from browsing to purchase. This revised prompt emphasizes a better user experience, including calls to action, intuitive category navigation, high-quality images, and a smooth user journey. Does this adjusted prompt meet your needs?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Could you please write down that prompt that you just said right now, because I need to just copy paste it.
Certainly, here's the prompt I just stated. Create a sitemap and wireframe for an e-commerce website selling premium fishing gear with a strong emphasis on user experience, UX, design. The website should include a homepage featuring seasonal promotions and bestsellers, with clear calls to action. There should be intuitive category navigation with visual cues that make it easy for users to find what they are looking for. Include dedicated product pages for professional fishing rods, premium fishing reels, and advanced fishing lines with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. The company is called Fishing Horizons and was established in 2022. Focus on creating a smooth and efficient user journey from browsing to purchase. Let me know if you need anything else.
What's the number of pages that should be, how many pages should this have, do you think?
Based on the product range outlined in the proposal, I would suggest between 5 to 10 pages. This would allow for a home page, dedicated pages for each of the 3 main product categories, rods, reels, and lines, and potentially a few additional pages for things like a contact page, about us page, or a page for sales or promotions. Does that sound like a good starting point for your project?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay, great. I'm glad we're on the same page. Do you have any other questions about the sitemap or wireframe generation? Or is there anything else I can help you with today?
So the AI just generated this, as you can see here, there's like a, a site, there's like a little list of sections, right? And it just generated this. Is there some particular section that is missing or that can be added based off of your UX design, experience and expertise? Okay. So I guess something went wrong. So let's just try again. I'm going to ask him if he remembers something from the past thing. Hello there. Do you remember anything from our last chat?
Yes, I do. We were discussing the Google AI Studio and its features, like the stream real-time option. We also talked about the different tools available, such as code execution. Is there something specific you'd like to revisit or continue discussing from our last conversation?
So I just I want you to review this project proposal. Can you read it?
Yes, I can read the project proposal. It appears to be for an e-commerce website for a company called Fishing Horizons, which specializes in premium fishing gear. They are looking for a web designer to create their online store, focusing on high conversion rates through optimized product pages. The proposal outlines the company background, product range, which includes fishing rods, reels, and lines. Would you like me to summarize it further or analyze any specific aspects of the proposal?
Can you read this? It says product pages high priority.
Yes, I see the section labeled Product Pages, High Priority. It lists key features for the product pages, such as large, zoomable product images with 360 degrees viewing capability, a gallery featuring the product in action, clear variant selection with visual differentiation, a prominent Add to Cart button, dynamic inventory status messaging, and more. It also specifies the content to be tabbed, including specifications, materials, care instructions, compatible accessories, social proof sections with customer reviews and ratings, and size guides. Is there anything specific about this section that you would like to discuss or analyze?
No. Can you now see this sitemap with these different pages?
Yes, I can see the sitemap. It shows the different pages of the website, including a home page, shop, and contact us page. The shop page branches into product category pages for fishing rods, reels, and lines, which further branch into individual product pages. There's also a benefits page, an FAQ page, and a checkout page, among others. Is there anything specific you'd like me to focus on within the sitemap?
What other types of pages would you add to this particular project that you think is missing?
Based on the provided sitemap and the project proposal, here are some additional page types that could be beneficial for this e-commerce website. 1. About Us page. This page could provide more detail about Fishing Horizons' story, their passion for fishing, and their commitment to quality. It would help build trust and connect with customers. 2. Blog or articles. A blog could be used to share fishing tips, product guides, or stories from the fishing community, which can increase user engagement and improve SEO. 3. Testimonials page. While product pages include customer reviews, a dedicated page for testimonials could further showcase positive feedback and build credibility. 4. Shipping and returns policy. Providing clear information about shipping costs, delivery times, and return procedures is essential for customer satisfaction. 5. Privacy policy and terms of service. These pages are necessary to comply with legal requirements and reassure users about their data and rights. 6. Affiliate or partner page. If the company collaborates with other brands or individuals, a dedicated page could highlight these partnerships. 7. Lookbook/inspiration page. This page could showcase the products in action and in different settings to give customers inspiration and ideas. 8. Careers page. If the company is expanding, a careers page could help attract talent. These additions could enhance the website's functionality, user experience, and overall effectiveness.
So I've paused the stream, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to this main primary sitemap and add these additional pages that he just mentioned and regenerate sitemap. So let me just continue. Let's see. Okay, so it creates a larger sitemap. We still have the ecommerce or the shop with these different sections. Blog post, blog, testimonial, about us. And we obviously do need this individual product pages, So this is going to be quite a large website. So I'm actually going to regenerate this again. And we have the shop, we have the product page. Okay, that's fine. And now what I want to do is I just want to generate the content. So this is quite a large project, but this is basically how I would do it. So we got this. Let's just generate all of this. Cart, checkout, contact us, FAQ, sitemap. Cool. I think it's looking pretty good. Now let's just go to our wireframe and see how that's looking. And it's looking good. We have a cart, we have a sign up. We don't really need the sign up, I would say, but it's giving us a nice little, nav bar to work with. It's good for a sitemap or for a wireframe. And let's just wait until it finishes generating everything. So it stopped generating and I zoomed in, and it was because it asked me to get a higher, subscription. So I got the pro subscription, which, by the way, if you create your Relume account today and you've never had a Relume account, you can get 7 days free, even with the pro subscription, which is the one that I'm using to generate all of these different pages. So that's actually a really cool thing. Really nice of the Relume team to do that. So yeah, let's just continue waiting for this to be done. So I'm zooming in and it looks really good. Like, this is basically like the category page, and this would be one type of product page that we have here, that basically we can do something with, like a sticky scroll. And we have another type of product page over here, right? So it's giving us some good options with different types of variants to choose from. And I like it very much, actually. And we can see these other pages. We have like the cart page. We have a checkout page, contact us page, FAQ, this sitemap page. Let me just review everything. Shop, careers page, different job openings, nice. Lookbook, so it's like a more inspirational page. Affiliate, so let's join our team. I wouldn't say join our team. And then we can just go here and regenerate the copy, for example, or replace the component. So that's also a cool thing to do, right? And we don't need to open it in Figma. We can just change that copy here, which is amazing. So Relume actually does that. And it says, discover your passion for fishing gear. So that seems quite generic. Now I want to open this stream real-time thing from Google AI Studio again to help me with some specific headline text. So I'm gonna just start a new one, select video source. Hello there, nice to meet you.
Hello there, nice to meet you too. Is there
So
anything I can help you with today?
yeah, can you read this proposal that I'm showing you right here?
Yes, I can read the proposal you're showing me. It appears to be for an e-commerce website project for a company called Fishing Horizons, which sells premium fishing gear. The proposal outlines the company background, their product range, and some site architecture requirements. Would you like me to summarize it, or is there something specific you would like to discuss about it?
So I just generated a wireframe and I have this text over here, but I don't really like the what it says. I think it's too generic. Can you think of something more high converting, right? Something that you think is going to be beneficial to the user?
Okay, I see the wireframe you've created, and I understand you're looking for a more compelling headline than Discover Your Passion for Fishing Gear. Given that the company focuses on premium fishing gear and you're aiming for high conversions, here are a few alternatives that might work better. Elevate your angling experience. This option focuses on the user's experience and hints at the quality of the products. The finest fishing gear, curated for you. This emphasizes both the premium aspect and the careful selection of the products. Unleash your potential with premium fishing gear. This option suggests that the right gear can help improve performance and could be motivational for the user. Precision crafted gear for serious anglers. This option highlights the craftsmanship and targets a specific type of customer. Do any of these options seem like a better fit for your wireframe, or would you like me to explore some other possibilities?
Okay, so I just added that. And now, so I'm in the About Us page, and this is the hero section, and I want you to think of a better text than just our journey.
Okay, I see the About Us page with the headline, Our Journey. Here are some alternative headlines that might be more engaging for that section. Our Story, Crafting Premium Gear Since 2022. This option adds a bit more context and emphasizes the brand's history and dedication to high-quality products. The Fishing Horizons Difference. This focuses on what makes the company unique. Meet the team behind the gear. This puts a human face to the company and connects with customers. From passion to precision, Our Story. This option highlights the company's driving force and dedication to detail. Built by anglers for anglers. This one speaks directly to the target customer base. Do any of these resonate with the direction you're aiming for, or would you like to explore some other options?
No, I like it a lot actually. So now we're here in the style guide section, and I do not like the colors that it shows, which shows kind of like a green color for the buttons, and it shows this red and yellow. Do you think of some better? Can you think of some better coloring for this?
Okay, I see the style guide and agree that the current color scheme might not be the most suitable. The green buttons, along with the red and yellow accents, might not convey the premium feel you're aiming for. Here are some color palette options that might work better for a premium fishing gear brand, keeping in mind that the best option depends on the specific feeling you want to evoke. Option 1, earthy and natural. Primary, a deep, muted navy blue or forest green. These colors convey a sense of nature and sophistication. Secondary, a light tan or beige. This adds a natural and calming element. Accent, a copper or bronze. These metallics add a touch of luxury and reflect the durability of fishing gear. Option 2, modern and clean. Primary, a dark charcoal, gray, or black. This creates a sleek, modern feel. Secondary, a light gray or off-white. This keeps the design clean and minimalist. Accent, a vibrant but not overly bright teal or deep ocean blue. This provides a pop of color that reflects water. Option 3, rugged and outdoorsy. Primary, a deep olive green or a dark weathered brown. These colors give a sense of the outdoors and adventure. Secondary, a lighter shade of beige or khaki. This complements the primary color and creates a balanced palette. Accent, a burnt orange or dark red. These colors add a touch of warmth and energy. For the buttons, I would recommend using the primary color or a slightly lighter shade of it, as it provides a clean and sophisticated look. If you prefer using an accent color for the buttons, make sure it doesn't clash with the primary color and it stands out enough to attract attention. Would you like me to generate some more color combinations, or would you like to pick one of these options and explore it further?
Can you provide me with the hex code for the for the deep ocean blue one?
Okay, the deep ocean blue from option 2. The hex code for that color is number 006994. Would you like me to provide the hex codes for any of the other colors I suggested?
Provide a hex code for a secondary color that would match this deep blue one.
Okay, I see that you've selected the deep ocean blue, which has the hex code number 006994. Based on that, here are some secondary color options and their corresponding hex codes that would pair well, keeping in mind that a secondary color should complement the primary without clashing or competing for attention. Option 1, light and neutral, light gray / off-white, hash F0, F0, F0. This color will create a clean and modern feel, while also providing a nice contrast to the dark blue. Option 2, warm and earthy, beige hash F5, F5, DC. This would pair well with the deep ocean blue to give it an outdoorsy feel. Option 3, another shade of blue, light blue hash add 8E6. This provides a more subtle contrast while maintaining the nautical feel. Which one of these would you like to go with? Or would you like me to suggest a different secondary color based on a specific look you're trying to achieve?
So it did a pretty good job with that. I'm just trying to open this now and try to transfer this. So let me just do that. So I'm basically adding the wireframe right now. It's building live, as you can see. So it's gonna take some time. It looks a little bit crazy, but I just trust the process. So let's just wait and see. Okay, so after a few minutes, I would say 5-6 minutes, the sync is completed. And we have the desktop and mobile view as a wireframe all in Figma, ready to be edited. And I usually like to, present my designs. Well, if I'm not working in Framer, where I basically do all my designs in Framer, if I'm going to be doing something with Shopify, for example, or sometimes I work with WordPress, I do the designs in Figma because it's easier to share, easier to present without actually putting it into the website. So what I do is that I, tend to create sections and kind of explain these sections with type of sticky notes, right, that I like to bring in from here. So I can do, for example, this, go like this, paste this in here, and we can choose some type of yellow color to make it look more sticky note-y. So, and what I want to do is I want to make a type of title here and a reasoning behind why I chose a specific section, and I want this AI to help me with that. So let's just actually go to one of the product pages, because that was kind of special for the client, for Mr. Claude, right? And I'm going to zoom out like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to again basically use this Google AI Studio, right? And present it with the prompt again, and then show him the two variants that I created, these two product page variants, and see which one is best and why. And I want to write notes there, right? So basically it's going to be like my little, UX mentor, or basically giving me a hand here. So I'm going to again share my entire screen. Hello there. Can you see this proposal that I have right here?
Yes, I can see the proposal. It's titled Fishing Horizons, E-commerce Website Project Proposal. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss about it?
Can you read the product range and the site architecture requirements?
Sure. The product range section lists 3 categories: professional fishing rods, premium fishing reels, and advanced fishing line, each with descriptions and variants. The site architecture requirements section has 3 subsections: homepage, category pages, and product pages with points listed below each. Would you like me to go into more detail?
I want you to also view this. You also missed this. So under product pages, I want you to read everything in product pages and then see these 3 other steps under the product pages.
Okay, under product pages, the proposal lists the following requirements: large zoomable product images with 360-degree viewing capability, gallery featuring.
You don't have to repeat everything. I know I can read it, but I just want you to understand that you can see that.
Understood. So I can see everything that is displayed in the product pages section and the other sections below. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding this document?
So the client is very picky or strict when it comes to the product page because he wants to get high converting sales for his specific products. And I have in Figma these 2 wireframes that act as product pages. I want you to tell me which one is best or what type of sections am I missing. I want you to be the UX expert here. I'm going to be taking notes on the side for you to view, for me to write on.
Okay, I understand. You'd like me to act as a UX expert and provide feedback on the 2 wireframes you've shown, focusing on which one might be best or what type of sections might be missing while you take notes. I will do my best to assist you with that. Given that they are both product pages for a fishing gear store, is there anything in particular that stands out to you as good or bad already?
Well, I can see here, I mean, maybe good or bad is not the right way to describe it, but I want you to maybe research on current product pages and give me some sources in the chat of what is known to perform well in product pages specifically for fishing gear or for outdoor gears.
Okay, I understand. You're looking for research and sources on what elements are known to perform well on product pages, specifically for fishing gear or outdoor gear. Unfortunately, I cannot access the internet to provide you with real-time data, but I can offer some general advice based on my knowledge. For a fishing gear or outdoor gear product page, high-quality, zoomable images are very important. Clear product descriptions, specifications, and customer reviews are also important. Are there any specific aspects of the designs that you are unsure about?
Can you provide me with a prompt in the chat so I can ask another AI to help me with the research?
Okay, I understand. Here's a prompt you can use with another AI to help you with your research on effective product page design. What are the key design elements and content strategies that lead to high conversion rates on product pages for fishing gear and outdoor equipment? Please provide examples and sources that illustrate these best practices. Would you like anything else from me?
So I'm going to be using Perplexity for this. So just give me a second.
All right, I understand you're going to use Perplexity. Let me know when you are ready for any other help.
So I'm just going to copy the project proposal to into Perplexity. And
Okay, I see you're copying the project proposal. Is there anything else I can help with at this stage?
so not right now. I'll let you know when you can help me.
Okay, I understand. I'll be here when you need me. Just let me know.
Okay, so
Okay, It looks like you've received a response from Perplexity. It's providing best practices on key design elements and content strategies for high conversion rates on fishing gear and outdoor equipment product pages. Is there anything I can do now to help with your project?
So let me zoom out a bit so that you can read everything, and then I want you to help me with these notes in the Figma file. So can you read everything from visual presentation all the way down to where it says share, where there's a share button?
Okay, I will read everything from visual presentation down to the share button at the bottom of the page. The best practices identified are visual presentation, which includes using high quality, zoomable images and implementing 360-degree product views. It also suggests including video content that demonstrates the gear in use. Under product information, it lists detailed specifications, comparison charts, and user-generated content. For social proof and reviews, customer reviews should be highlighted, and there should be ways to incorporate endorsements. Conversion-focused elements include clear call to action buttons and urgency indicators. There should also be size and compatibility guides. Mobile optimization includes responsive design and simplified mobile checkout. Under content strategy, it lists educational content, product storytelling, and cross-selling. Do you want to know anything about the related questions?
So hold on, give me 1 sec and I'll be right back with you. So, okay, so he basically stopped the call. I don't think I have much time with him left anyways. Yeah, we didn't have a lot of time left. But anyways, this is a good start on how to do this, right? So I got with Perplexity these good comments with some sources. So I like this expert testimonials. Let's just click on this link and let's search for expert or testimonials. Doesn't really say anything. Customer reviews, obviously user-generated content. Okay. So what does it say? Okay, so this is not really a good source. Conversion, focus elements, clear call to action, urgency creators. Okay, let's see if this one, urgency. I mean, so the feedback is good, but the sources aren't so good. Maybe if I click here, so this is all about proposals. So I'm gonna just write a follow-up. I want you to provide me sources for this, and then just paste this again, because I don't want it to be, you know, high quality images, detailed specifications. So let's just click on this, detailed specifications. Oh, let's detailed pages. Let's write specifications. Technical specifications. Okay, now we can get a little bit more, you know, so we have some technical specifications. That's great. And we can do something like this. So I can just take a little screenshot, and basically what we can do is just screenshot or copy any of these things that we find interesting. I really like the technical specifications one, and I like these testimonials and the user-generated content, right? So we can take some of these sources and actually put them into our Figma file here, right? So we can say, for example, here, user-generated content. So UGC would be somewhere at the bottom over here, or we could just put that on the side, like so, and so on and so forth. So that's basically like a little quick tutorial on how to use AI. So I went from understanding the proposal to generating a sitemap to generating the wireframe to fixing fonts, generating a few color styles, and looking for some UX optimizations with Google AI Studio and Perplexity. So yeah, I hope you guys take all of this with you learned something new today. I hope so. And if you guys have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to me or write something in the comments below. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.